something special.
What's up, y'all? It is Shameless Sham, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an update on my braces. So for those of you who have never ever seen any of my braces videos, go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I've had my braces on for about 19 months now, and I'm patiently waiting for my braces to come off. I was expecting to have them off in February, but unfortunately I did not have them off. But just an update, I'll show you guys my teeth, of course, but the biggest thing that I'm concerned about with getting my braces off is that my bite is still not fixed. So on this side, my bite is still not together all the way, and then also my teeth don't touch each other the way that they're supposed to all around. So with that being said, I really don't know when I'm going to be getting my braces off. The last time I went to my ortho appointment, I mentioned some of the gaps that I still have that I don't like, and they did what's called IPR. I'm just ready to have my braces off, but at the same time, I also want my teeth to be the way that I want them to be because I paid so much money for them, and we is not getting these braces off until your girl is happy with her teeth, okay? But I'm not gonna drag this video along too much. The only thing that they've been doing really is just changing the wire. They've been doing IPR and giving me a new power chain. I'll go ahead and show you guys my teeth. All right, so these are my teeth. And they look pretty straight. They look pretty straight, but the thing is my bite is still not fixed. So one of the big things is obviously your teeth should be straight, but your bite should also be fixed. Oh, I forgot to mention too that these two teeth are still higher